In this video, I am going to show you Union Testnet, that is new testnet that is now ongoing. Very few people, little people joined. Okay, maybe so you are one of them going to be because of very few people join in this airdrop. I I recently published this video and this testnet would be viral very quietly. Not yet. Do early participator, do early bird, okay, of this airdrop. So the airdrop is entirely this airdrop. I will show you how you can join. So the thing is simple here. What you need to have Glax, and that is website. So click on that link that I put on here, and that link will bring you here. So here what you need to do, you should have Glax account. So never be freak out if you don't have. Everything simple, like creating Facebook account, creating Telegram account, simple. Okay, and after doing all those of thing, if you don't have, I know majority people have Glax account. Anyhow, what you need to do, complete this task that they provided inside of the Glax. So follow them on Twitter, and whatever task the next on, do, just do it. Okay, people say it is one of the best word I see. Just do it. Okay, come back here. Just click this little bit arrow. Maybe you already know it's basic, but basic to me, it's exciting me. Okay, so click on there, and blue verified checkmark would be pop up because you done this task. Retweet the tweet, same, just automatically retweet will pop up because we are intentionally here for retweeting, if you noticed here. Okay, so retweet will pop up, or click this repost and do like, because we want to give service fast, we want to do more. Okay, because inside of doing more has value. If you expect something and in order to not giving anything, that is nonsense to me. Okay, so here, just use of the time you done any task, click on that arrow button, it will be immediately done, because you need to mint this NFT. Okay, after completing this task, so like them there, click on there because it did like. Okay, it will be it will be done. So visit the Union app, go to there, and here is main testnet is begin. Okay, anyhow, we are now inside of the testnet. Now we will try to get faucet here, because I tried in the time of morning, but I was failed at that time. Now I will try. They are using their taps. Okay, so first click this wallet, and here is, I already connect my Kepler wallet here that I added here, and I want to connect my MetaMask. So in order to connect MetaMask, what you need to do is just tap on that MetaMask, and you should have extensions of MetaMask which browser you are using, and that's it. Nothing complicated. So here is click this arrow button, and here is what you need to do. Everything you do, you should have this faucet. Okay, if you notice here this faucet, click on there. So here we go. I was tried at the morning, but I was failed. Now let me check it. What happened? You need to repause it. Do I get it or not? If it is not, we will wait. It's taking so much time. Let me see until it is finished loading. Anyhow, okay, okay, we get it. So now what I need to do, just after getting processed, click on this transfer button, and here we select your token. Here is what you need to select is Sopila, and here is Union Testnet, and here is asset, which asset you want to choose from. Ethereum, and amount is 0.00 on. Okay, and do transfer. Switch to Sopila, approving ERC, click next and approving wallet. Okay, MetaMask get notified. Straightforward, nothing complicated, easy to do. Okay, click this next button, do approve, and awaiting approval recipient. Okay, this is done. It is continuously loading. Wait a minute here, until it is done. Okay, it is testnet. What you are providing in order to getting money, well, it is done as well. It is done. MetaMask get notified. So do the MetaMask confirmation. So we are doing check their website. We are early user of their product, of their company, and in order to getting money from them, being eligible, in one word, being eligible, in order to we are giving our time and we are checking their website. If they don't provide testnet, airdrop, nobody care them. Okay, so we already send. If you want to explore that, either it has been done or not, just click on this explorer, and here is transfer. If I click on there, and let me see my account on this list. So yeah, Union Testnet source destination. Okay, this is my account um, that I that I sent on. Okay, so if I click on here, here is my wallet. Anyhow, so click this transfer button again. Now Union Testnet Sopila. Try over and over again. It will be better to try. Okay, this is recipient, and here is put your amount 0 point. Okay, like in terms of this amount. Okay, that that one that has there. Okay, 0.00, let's say 0 on into transfer. Confirming your transfer, click approve in your wallet and transfer asset. So MetaMask again, maybe not MetaMask, it is Kepler. Okay, and here is transfer asset. Transferring asset successfully initiated transfer. The more you use it, the more they will make you eligible, make you, you know, make you priority. Okay, so anyhow, what we need to do, if I come into here, and okay, nothing to see here. If I do back, okay, so this is the airdrop. So now do this transfer as much as you can, do different way, different amount, put in and try. Nothing complicated. I don't want to make video complicated. So I click on this tab option again and come back in this Glax task, and we done all of tasks. We done more tasks. Okay, and we will do more in the later. So click on this arrow button, and here is the NFT would be pop up. Claim your oath, click on there, and transaction would be done. Okay, so never neglect anything here. I will definitely suggest you this video, maybe not maybe, okay, this video must be helped you a lot of for joining in this union airdrop. If it is, please do subscribe and come into my telegram. Inside of this video's description box, I've already put in my telegram, and that is it. 32 people now join from different country, you know. You know, some people is Cameroon, from Nigeria, India, and a lot of different country they have been. And I like it because um, they're not just from my country. Okay, they're different all around the world people. So yeah, come into me, come into our community telegram, and here is I put every airdrop, and that is pretty much, you know, money making airdrop. It would be make you money. Okay, so yeah, see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.